So meal kits have become a really convenient way to take the stress out of dinner. And for anyone who ever's rushed around to throw something together after a long day, it's easy to see the appeal. You get fresh ingredients in the exact amounts that you need, paired with step-by-step recipes, and it all gets delivered right to your door. But with so many companies offering similar services, picking the right one isn't always straightforward. So in this video, I'm going to be walking through two of the biggest names in the meal kit world, HelloFresh and Home Chef. I'll cover what each one does best, how they differ, and which might make more sense depending on what you are looking for. Let's get into it. So, starting with HelloFresh, their whole mission is built around changing how we eat at home, and it shows in how the service is set up. The sign up is super flexible. You pick how many people you're cooking for, how many meals you want each week, and the kind of food you like. You're not locked into anything either, so skipping a week or switching up your box is easy. And once you're in, you get access to a menu that changes weekly with well over 100 recipes and extras to choose from. Your box arrives on the delivery day you choose, and the packaging keeps everything cold even if you're not around to grab it right away. The ingredients are already portioned for each recipe, which makes everything just a lot smoother. The recipe cards are big, easy to read, and guide you step by step without making things complicated. Since the meals are tested beforehand, you don't have to worry about anything not turning out. Most recipes take around 30 minutes, but there are some quicker options if you're short on time and a few more detailed ones if you want to try something a little different. Now, one of the big things that makes HelloFresh stand out is how flexible the meals are. You can swap proteins, switch sides, or even add extras to your box. So if someone at home isn't into sweet potatoes, or you just want a little more protein, it's easy to adjust. They also put a lot of focus on quality and sourcing. The seafood is sustainably caught, the meats follow high animal welfare standards, and they try to use seasonal, locally grown produce whenever possible. Plus, every box gets checked before it ships, so they're keeping a close eye on freshness. And if you're short on time, they've got a whole line of ready-made meals that just need heating. There's also an online market where you can add snacks, extra proteins, and quick meals to your box so you don't have to make another grocery run. Now, when it comes to pricing, it's based on how many people you're cooking for, either 2 or 4, and how many meals you pick each week. The more meals you choose, the less you're paying per serving, and there's a flat shipping fee of around $11 on top of that. For 2 people, 2 meals per week runs at about $11.50 per serving, but if you go with 3 to 6 meals, it drops to about $10 per serving, and that puts the weekly cost somewhere between $56 and $130, shipping included. Now, for 4 people, it's a steady $10 per serving, no matter how many meals you choose. So your weekly total usually lands between $90 and $250, depending on how many recipes you go with. Finally, they put real work into making their service more eco-friendly. They were the first meal kit company to go carbon neutral globally. They use 100% renewable electricity at their US facilities, and they've made smart changes to packaging so there's less waste. Most of it can be recycled curbside, and they're transparent about the materials that still need work. So overall, HelloFresh offers a pretty good package, a huge variety of meals, lots of control over what ends up in your box, and a very strong focus on sustainability. And if you want to get started with a healthier diet from HelloFresh or Home Chef, check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now let's talk about Home Chef. They take a slightly different route. Their big focus is on keeping things easy, fast, and family friendly. So instead of trying to change how people eat, their goal is more about making dinner time less stressful and more enjoyable. It all starts with a quick quiz when you sign up. You're going to fill out your food preferences, list any dietary restrictions, and flag ingredients you'd rather avoid. Based on that, they suggest meals for you each week, but you can always swap things around before your order goes through. Now, when your box arrives, the ingredients are sorted into resealable bags for each recipe, and the proteins are packed separately with ice packs. Each recipe comes with a simple instruction card that shows how long it should take, how hard it is, and what kitchen tools you're going to need. Home Chef offers 2 plans, a standard option and a family-style version with more kid-friendly meals. And you can choose servings for 2, 4, or even 6 people. So it's one of the few kits that really caters to bigger households. Pricing usually starts at $10 per serving, though that can go up depending on what you pick. Premium meals cost a bit more, and there's a minimum order of about $51 per week. Shipping is a flat fee, similar to HelloFresh. Now, where Home Chef really stands out is with their ready-to-cook meals. They've got options that need almost no prep. Some go straight into the oven, others into the microwave, and a few just need a couple of quick steps. They're perfect if you want something that feels home-cooked but don't want to spend much time in the kitchen. They also have a customize it option that lets you swap out the protein in a lot of meals. So if a dish is listed with pork, but you'd prefer chicken or steak instead, you can usually switch it with just one click. The only catch is that it only works for the main protein. You can't swap out the sides or veggies like you can with HelloFresh. Now, in terms of ingredients, Home Chef says they work with trusted suppliers and they do offer organic items sometimes, but it's not guaranteed across the board. They don't share as much detail with sourcing as HelloFresh does, although you can sometimes upgrade to organic proteins with specific meals. Now, when it comes to packaging, Home Chef does include recycling instructions, but there's still quite a bit of single-use plastic, especially with sauces and trays. It's definitely convenient, but maybe not ideal if you're trying to cut down on waste. Now that said, if speed and simplicity are your top priorities, Home Chef does a great job. It's a solid pick for busy families or anyone who wants an easy home-cooked meal without the extra work. All right, so which one is better? Honestly, it just depends on what matters most to you. If your top priority is saving time and making meals with as little prep as possible, Home Chef makes that really easy. You can go from box to table with a minimal effort, and the food still tastes pretty good. But if you want more variety, room to personalize both proteins and sides, and a service that's trying to push for better sustainability and sourcing, HelloFresh clearly takes the lead. The recipes from HelloFresh also give you more of that "I cook this myself" feeling. You're actually combining ingredients, making sauces, and learning little techniques along the way. With Home Chef, it leans more towards assembling than cooking, especially with the oven-ready or heat-and-eat meals. And in terms of transparency, HelloFresh shares way more about where their food comes from, how it's sourced, and what they're doing to reduce waste and emissions. So for anyone who wants a balance of convenience, fresh ingredients, and the ability to explore different types of meals each week, HelloFresh is the stronger all-around choice. Hopefully this helped clear things up. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And if you want to get started with a healthier diet from HelloFresh or Home Chef, check out the links below where sometimes we offer special discounts that you will not find if you go directly to their website. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions, then just leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.